Hey guys, what is up? And in today's video, we're going to show you how to make your dirt bike faster and make you faster as a rider. So let's just jump right into it.
These tires are like one of the best mods, I'm telling you guys right now.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel for another video. Today we got a banger. We're going to show you how to make your dirt bike quicker. It's really simple with this easy step. It's going to make you have more top speed and it's going to give you more traction, better acceleration in the corners. It's going to make you a confident, better rider. This is what we're doing today. As you guys can tell, my tires are quite worn, especially my rear. I do have the smaller set of wheels. These are the 12s and the 14s. So as you guys can see here, well, we got a brand new set of meats for this thing. Here's an upgraded 14-inch with some absolutely gnarly knobbies on it. And then we got our 17-inch front tire here as well with a brand new tire. These are both a set of Dunlop tires on the two of them. And so yeah, I just got to go ahead. I have to pull disc brake off and put the disc brakes onto the other wheels so we can go ahead and install those onto the Apollo. So how is this going to give you more speed? Well, because we're upgrading to a larger diameter wheel, we're going to go from a 12-inch rear to a 14-inch rear and a 14-inch front to a 17-inch front. And with that extra diameter is going to give you a higher top speed because you have a larger rolling tire. So for every revolution, you're going to get a bit more distance out of it. So it's going to give you a higher top speed. Now, if you didn't have the money and you wanted to still get a higher top speed on a dirt bike, I have a video. I'll throw it up right here. You guys can click on that and I'll show you a $10 mod that you guys can go over and do to make your dirt bike faster. So we'll go ahead and we're going to take these 4 Allen keys out and let's just pop this rear sprocket off. All right, now we got those all loose, our sprockets off, and we can go ahead and set that aside because we're gonna need that for our new wheel. We need to do the same thing, take these 4 out here and take this disc off so we can use that for the other rim. So, all right, now we can go ahead and take our disc off. Once again, we'll just set this aside and we can now discard our old junk rim. All right, now we got our nice brand new rim. When we're installing the stuff, you wanna remember that the ones with the big ears on the axle nub, so like if we look at this one in behind here, there's kind of smaller nubs. The one with the big ears is the one that has your disc brake go on it. So we'll set our disc brake on here and we'll go ahead and let's just install these bolts. All right, now we got our disc on, so we'll flip the tire over and then we're gonna stick the sprocket up onto here. Cool, and then we can go ahead and take that tire that is now fully set up. We'll go ahead and we'll slap that on the bike like so. Okay, and we got our new tire on. Man, this thing looks insane. This is like a freaking monster truck tire now on the back of this Apollo, man. This thing is sick. All right, I'm way too hyped. Let's just go ahead and let's just pull this front off like this. All right, old wheels off. Let's just get this new one on like this. Damn, boy. All right, there we go. We got our 2 tires on. Let's take a step back and look at this piece. So as you guys can see, our swap is done. We got the wheels on it. Let's hop out onto the trail.
All right, and just like that, we're out on the trail. We got the big new tires set up. It's a little wet, a little overcast today. So let's head up the trail and see what it's like having some of these bigger tires. Oh, it's very soft in here today. So much faster. That was a deep one. Holy shit. Holy fuck, it's wet. Traction I have right now is so much better. The amount of control that these tires give you and the confidence, next level. Just so much more traction, so much more predictability, and they just like to roll over all the stumps and rocks that much easier. Game changer. Total game changer. Then we'll get out to some road here after this and we'll go test out its top speed. Alright, we'll do a first pull here. well, the traction with this tire is unreal. I'm telling you guys, if you haven't done this already.
No more hitting your tip there.
Nope. Got another little trail here. We'll go ahead and give these tires another test through. It is super wet and slick today, that's for sure, so that's a really good test for these tires to see how their traction is. So far they feel amazing, like phenomenal compared to the other tires I had on, which of course is not much to compare to because they're just shitty Chinese tires. Bunch of cobwebs to the face. I know these tires are like one of the best mods you could do, for sure. Little hook climb. Solid little step up. Tires are compared to that other old Dookie. These things just hook up like a million times better. As to be expected though, this was a $500 wheel set. Holy fuck. You okay?
It's a bit of a workout climb, eh?
That one sucked.
Huh?
That sucked.
It's your safety belt. Ricocheting all over in there then?
Like a motherfucker.
Yeah. Lots of fucking logs to just poof, 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 fucking rolling.